Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Webflow with Printful. Now, there is something that if you try to search for it by yourself and you try to go to the Webflow official website that is when integrated Printful with Webflow, it's going to be giving you this 404 error. That means this page is no longer available. So how can we learn exactly where to add Printful? This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, go to your dashboard, and as you will notice as well, when you go to Marketplace and you search for apps and search for Printful, you will not find it. So what is the correct way to connect them both? I would suggest you guys to go through Zapier and install it. This is a very good tool so you can integrate multiple application or two separate applications together. So let's go ahead and click on install application. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and click in here on connect the 8000 application together. Once we are in this area, I would like to go ahead and choose Webflow, and then on the other hand, I will click on add step and click and choose Printful. So I'm gonna write down here print, and it's gonna be this one right here. So I'm gonna simply just write it down in case it wasn't available in here in Printful. So in case it wasn't available through here, so this is the one that you are looking for and action available. So what you need to do is to go ahead back to your account, and this is something that you will almost have with few application, not with any application, but fewer of them. You would need to actually get yourself a premium account. Your account will not be totally free. Of course, you have a limitation. This is why sometimes you would need to get a new membership and get yourself a new upgrade your plan so you can get to use some sort of application in Zapier. One of them is Printful, obviously. So here, when you get to actually professional or team, you would have the access to unlimited premium apps, because not any app you could use it in Zapier for free. There is some certain apps that you really need the premium plan so you could use them. In our case here, we would need the professional, so we could use Printful. So once you have Printful already and set it up, you simply have to go right here to Zapier, create a new app, and simply here, go right here and describe what you want exactly with this integration. So simply just write down, I want to integrate Printful with Webflow, and that should be it for you. It's gonna be simple and easy. And once you're done, click on publish and you're good to go. So yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.